This video is for routing types on ASTPP. There are four types of routing we have in ASTPP which helps to design call routing flow for your business. Those four routing types are: the first one is LCR. LCR stands for least cost routing. Second one is cost based routing. Then the third one is priority, and fourth is percentage. Priority and percentage routing types is for enterprise edition of ASTPP. So all these routing types can help to design a call flow for the customers. And call flow design is used to decide where calls will be terminated on which server through which gateway by considering the termination rates accordingly. So now let's start with one by one explanation for all the routing types. So this is the admin portal. From tariff from rate groups. In rate groups, we can see the routing types, and accordingly we can manage the routing types for our customers by selecting different trunk and different routing types. First, start with LCR routing. So for my customer, I have uh, configured routing type with LCR, and I have different trunk available: diamond, gold, silver, platinum. So let me show you my termination rates also for all these trunks. I have the lowest termination rate for uh, diamond trunk, and then for silver 0.5 USD cost per minute, then for a gold 1 USD cost per minute, and for platinum I have 1.5 USD cost per minute. But if you will see, I have configured the termination rates with different prefix. So suppose my customer is going to dial 441234789. If you notice, for that number the maximum prefix rates I have configured for diamond trunk. So in LCR routing types, what LCR routing types is doing, LCR routing types will always check for maximum prefix match. That means if the rate is lowest or highest, while we have configured LCR routing type, then system will always route the call with the maximum prefix match rates only. Now let me test one call, and I will show you the FSCLI log, free switch log for the call, how ASTPP is going to check in the dial plan with all this trunk, all this rate, and then routed with the maximum prefix match rate. So I have dialed a number from my side, and you can see free switch log, the FSCLI log starting from here. I have a dial from one SIF extension. I have dialed the number, destination number 441234789. Okay, you can see here system is checking for all termination rates: 441234, 44123, 4412, 441. So gold, silver, platinum, diamond. System found all these four rates here with different prefix, and then you can see the breeze line also here with different prefix: 44123, 44122. This is for 441234, this is for 44123, then for 4412, then for 441. So with four, all this bridge line you can see here, and I will show you the execute the bridge line Finally, as we have selected for LCR routing, so system has routed the call with this prefix, that is 441234 with diamond prefix. So this is how the LCR routing is working on ASTPP. You can see on the CDRS also the call routed with diamond. If suppose this trunk is not accepted the call, in that case system will going to check for next available maximum prefix match rate, and system will route that call with that trunk. So it is working like failover, like if first trunk is not accepted the call, then second trunk, then the third trunk, then the fourth trunk. So like this the system is designed. Now let's check with cost based routing. Let me dial the destination number once again. So what cost based routing will do? Cost based routing will define as such a way on ASTPP, whatever rates we have available on ASTPP, while customer will dial the destination number, system will going to check for lowest price for those prefixes. So whatever maybe the prefixes we have configured, it may be maximum prefix match or lowest prefix match, system will always check for lowest cost. So let me dial the same number. So I have dialed the number, and in FSCLI you can see the call starts from here. I have dialed with the same SIP extension. This is the same destination number 441234789, and then system is going to check for rates, the termination rates. You can see with all codes: diamond, silver, gold, platinum. And then same way all the breeze line has generated in dial plan with different codes which we have on our system: 441234, 4412, 441, 44123. So finally the call is routed with the lowest price available code, that is 441234. Suppose this trunk is not accepted the call, in that case system will going to check the other lowest price rate available on our system, and system will route the call with that trunk. So this is how the cost based routing is defined on ASTPP. Once again I'm repeating, in LCR system will always check for maximum prefix rate. It may be higher or it may be lower, means if I configure that rate, the maximum prefix rate, higher than any other rate, then also system will route the call with that prefix only, with that maximum prefix match rate only. But in cost based routing, system will always check for lowest cost route. So now we have one more feature. I can show you from a configuration, from settings, from calls. We have one option, that is hybrid routing. So what hybrid routing is? Suppose I am selecting LCR in rate group, okay, for my customer, but from configuration I am selecting here the first drop down, that is LCR with cost in second stage. So what it will going to do, system will first check for LCR. That means first, that means when call will come into the system, system will have the dial plan according to the LCR routing. System will check all the rates with the prefix match, but in second stage the call will going to route as per the cost base. That means as per the lowest cost available on our system. So I have already selected the drop down, and I want to mention it here. The hybrid routing option is for enterprise edition ASTPP. I am in RAID group now. I am going to change the routing type with LCR now. Let's save it. Now I'm going into the termination rates I have available. So as I have selected the hybrid routing, first stage is LCR, second stage is cost. Suppose I'm going to change the prefix here with 44 only. Let me dial the number once again. I have dialed the number with the same SIP extension, and same way the same and the same destination number 4412347889, and you can see all the information system has collect the account information, the outbound call, the rates available for origination side, and then from here you can see system is checking for all the rates for 4412, 441, 44123, whatever rates we are having in our system. And all the bridge line you can see same way bridge line is generated here in the dial plan. And finally the call routed with, let me show you the execution bridge line with 44, because system has found this is the lowest cost. Because in hybrid routing we have selected the option LCR with cost in second stage. So system has checked for all the rates, but in the second stage what system is done, system is routed the call according to the cost based routing. As I mentioned, in ASTPP cost based routing, always system will check for lowest rate available on the system. So even if we have selected the routing type LCR, but in second stage as per the hybrid routing, it is the cost based routing. So system is routed the call to our lowest available rate for our trunks. So same way we can have other option too in hybrid routing. Even if we select this cost with LCR in second stage, what will going to happen? Even if in RAID groups we are selecting cost based routing, but what system will do when system will get the call? System will check with all the rates available, and in second stage the call will going to route as per the LCR routing logic on ASTPP. So this is how we can use LCR and cost based routing on ASTPP, and we can use with hybrid routing options also for enterprise edition ASTPP. Now we have remaining with other two enterprise routing types. One is priority, other is percentage. In priority based routing, what system is designed like, if we select this, then we have the options trunk 1, trunk 2, trunk 3. So we can define the priority here. If we select diamond trunk here, then silver trunk here, then gold trunk here. So what system will do? First system will route the call with diamond trunk. If that trunk is not available, or if they will not accept the call, if the call is not routed with that trunk, then call will again route it with the second trunk. And if second trunk also not working, in that case system will again going to route the call with the third trunk. So this is how the priority based routing will going to work. And you can change, you can add more trunks here. I will show you the option how you can add the more trunks here. You can go to the configuration settings. From here, from trunk count, you can increase the trunk count also. Suppose now I have increased the trunk count to 5. So if you go to the rate group now, and if you see, for priority based routing you have the option to select accordingly as per your priority till 5 trunks. So this is how system is designed. And we have another uh, routing, that is percentage, and where you can select the trunk accordingly as per your requirement, and you can define the percentage here, how much percentage call you want to route for the first trunk. You can define it here like this according to your requirement. Percentage routing is still in work in progress. We probably going to add completely the this routing, the percentage routing, in our upcoming version. So this is how all of these four routing types are working on our ASTPP.